Okay, these drawers are my pot drawers. I'm going to include that as part of my drawer series. I have 2 pot drawers, and I'm not changing out my pots or anything, but what I'm going to do with these 2 drawers is I'm going to change my drawer liner. And as you can see, I'm going to let you see how this I told you about the corking, and see how this corking is dirty and it's tore. I had it since I've been here. Like it did hold up pretty good, but I'm not gonna go that route. I explained in the other video or about the other drawers that I'm not gonna use the corking anymore. I'm gonna use the plastic drawer liner that I use. And so I'm gonna this is my pot drawer, and it's a couple more other pots that go in here, and I keep the tops over here with the drawer divider. And then over here, let's see if I can show you this. And over here, these pots is my better pots. Those pots I use every day. I use these pots every day too, but they're my better pots. And no popcorn get popped in this pot. That other pot in the other drawer was the popcorn pot. But these pots I don't use. We don't pop popcorn in this pot. So these pots this is strainer here, but this don't have anything underneath. So I have enough liner from the other drawers to just put liners in both of these drawers, and I'm going to still come back and show you how it look with the new liner in it. All I had to do, like I was showing you before, it was just replace the drawer liner. Everything is the same. I just replaced a nice clean liner. It looks so much nicer. As you can see, it looks so much better than the other one. And what I kept this in, I kept that, and I liked it, and just lined up the tops along the side. And then I'm gonna also show you the other pot drawer. Okay, this is the bottom pot drawer, and this one did not have any liner in there at all. So I put a liner in these, and it looks really nice and neat, and I like the way it came out. I did take my strainers out of here and move them on the other side. I'm sorry, so sorry for the noise. I took the strainers that I had over here and I put them on the other side for now, and it looks nice. I like the way it came out. It is neat. These are the pots that I don't use every day. I try to use the pots in the other drawer first, unless I actually need these pots, and I use more of the large pot than anything. And these pots actually came from a estate sale years ago. I paid $25 for them. This pot is worth every bit of $500, and I just really like it. I just try to keep it nice and clean and try not to use it all the time, but it's a good set of pots, and I really like it, and I just like the way this came out. So this ends the drawer series of the kitchen series. So this takes care of all the drawers in my kitchen. So that's it, and I'm gonna end this video on that for the drawer series, and I hope you watch the other videos, other kitchen videos that I have coming up. I appreciate you all for watching. I thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Be a part of the Deals with Lady P family. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I would just love to have you join the family. And I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing. Bye bye, everyone.